Outline your data sources and relationships before starting your project. Planning your data model is a crucial first step in any Power BI project. By outlining your data sources and defining relationships early on, you set the foundation for a well-structured and efficient data analysis. Understanding how your data tables interact and ensuring you have the necessary joins and keys in place can save you a lot of time and headaches down the line. This approach allows you to anticipate potential issues and design your data model in a way that maximizes performance and accuracy. As you begin your project, take the time to sketch out your data model, considering factors like cardinality and direction of relationships. This proactive step will ensure that your Power BI reports are robust, scalable, and easy to manage. If you found this tip helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your fellow data enthusiasts.